Girl, top of the hour, top of the video. She on here looking like this. Fresh cup of coffee. I just seen Bay off to work. It's another rainy, cloudy, dreary day. 5:30. God dog it. We are almost to Christmas. It is time to be putting up Fayetteville. Coffee. I love you. I love me some coffee. Some Taylor port wine, honey. I love all the things. All of it. Okay, now, let me get back to the business at hand. Hold up a minute. Wait a minute now. I got things I have to do here. Well, in the meantime, is you gonna come on or what you gonna do? I almost forgot to record the drawer liners before we move on. So this is how, look y'all, I only had enough for 6 drawers. So I did the first 3 obviously. And then this is still drying. I did to do some spot touch-ups. So we still got wet paint in some places. The first 6 drawers, you know, with the liners. And then the bottom 3 obviously do not. I'm not wasting any more paper on you, sis. You got to get out of here. Okay, you're done. So the bottom 3 don't have liners. It's just a little added touch to finish her off. Now we can go ahead and post her and move on. Oh, I almost forgot. God dog it. See this? See this? This was in here when she came to me. So I'm going to send it back with the new owners. So, meet Bill. Bill is the next project. Bill's looking good. I got plans for Bill. I feel like her name should be, she looks like her name is Elizabeth. She looks like an Elizabeth. Bill. And I've showed y'all this. Now I did a little bit of this, like the paint, because I was starting to use this as a little stand. But this is what we're going to try to start on today. We got some drawers to fix. I gotta sneeze. Oh, excuse me. Okay, I think I need to take a break.
by you when you're falling, when the river is calling. I said I love you forever. We can make it together. What goes up must come down. There's lots of friendly faces all around, and nothing's ever lifting me higher than a touch of your sweet desire. What we're wrong will turn right. We just have to hold on through the night. As long as we are watching the fire, we'll be safe from the devil's choir. I stand by you when you're falling, when the river is calling. I said I love you forever. We can make it together. Yeah, yeah. When things go wrong, it's easy to sing a sad song. Seems like nothing comes for free, yeah. And it won't take love. Your fragile soul will soon be strong. I'll carry you so tenderly. What I wanna say is that I stand by you when you're falling, when the river is calling. I said I love you forever. We can make it together. Breaks my heart seeing you struggle with the things you do, carrying the one on your shoulder. When did we become so much older? Now I wish I could say that all my troubles gonna blow away, but I won't quit until it gets better, even if it takes me forever. I stand by you when you're falling, when the river is calling. I said I love you forever. We can make it together. Hey, we can make it, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. We can make it if we try.